So friends, Namaste, Vanakkam, Namaskara, Kem Cho, Sat Sri Akal and Jai Shri Ram. Friends, today again I am back to you because some of my friends, they asked me to tell about those stocks which have done very well in Q2 so that others can also do a swing trading with those stocks who have done exceedingly well in Q2. So today I am back with you here, but before I go ahead, friends, I just want to check with you that have you seen full series of X Factor? In moving averages, it gives you bombshell strategies, number one. And the total number of videos here are actually 6. You can have 419, 412 A and B, and 427 A and B. So total are 5, not 6. Anyway, it is up to you. Please go and watch these videos. You will find them to be very useful. Today, friends, we are going to talk about the golden shares that lays golden eggs. सोने की चिड़िया देने वाली मुर्गियाँ Q2 के अंदर कौन सी हैं? देखेंगे ये सोने की चिड़ियाँ जो हैं वो कौन सी हैं. मैं आपको बता दूँ कब नेवर बाई हेडलेस चिकन्स, दे विल गिव यू नथिंग. फंडामेंटली शेयर का जो है स्ट्रॉन्ग होना चाहिए, नंबर वन. और जो स्विंग ट्रेडर्स हैं पर्टिकुलरली या इंट्राडे ट्रेडर्स हैं, उनको चाहिए कि ऐसी स्ट्रेटजी हमेशा बनाएं जो कि वाइब्रेंट शेयर हो. शेयर मार्केट के अंदर जो है प्राइसेस जो है आप देख लीजिए, हर सेकेंड दे आर डांसिंग. सो वी ऑल्सो शुड हैव दोज वॉलेटाइल शेयर्स विच आर डांसिंग along with the market and not dead shares which are doing nothing in the market. Friends, it is not worth taking any risk in such a vibrant market and choose the lame ducks. So let us start with our presentation today. And friends, in this edition of Obtaining Shares, I welcome you all. And then see, what I am going to talk to you today is basically of opinion which is being given by CNBC AWAAZ, that is Hindi channel, Zee Business Hindi channel, and the brokerage's view about the shares who have done exceedingly well in the share market in the previous quarter. So friends, let's go ahead and check what's happening in the share, what has happened in the share market, and what kind of in which stocks you can do swing trading. So here I have shown is TCS, HCL, INFOSYS and Mindtree. Believe me, the results of TCS were not very good and they were not coming good for the last 2 quarters. But HCL Tech, has given excellent results. Excellent results. Friends, see, if the TCS is not giving good results or up to the market expectation, then what will happen? The share will go down. It will not be zero. The share will go down, will be flat for a while, and then again it will take a upswing. HCL Tech will remain strong. It cannot go bottom. It cannot go to the worst because it has already performed well. INFOSYS did not do well, and also Mindtree did not do well according to the TV channels and brokerage's view. HCL Tech was perhaps the best. Then friends, here I have shown is Mindtree also did not do very well. Although this is where the L&T giant, it has not done very well. Let's see further. Anand Rathi, it's a brokerage company, has done an average performance, whereas in Q1 was very good. Kenfin Homes did not do well, though Canara Bank is doing very well. Federal Bank, I'm sorry, I'm missing the date here. You please check the date. And Federal Bank has done splendid job. Splendid job. You can always trade with it. Let the share come down. Find out the support and resistances and just go for a kill. You will make money. Polycap similarly was very good. L&T Tech results were good. No issues. AU Small Bank results were average or I will say better than average results. You can always trade in this. It is a small ticket size stock, roughly about say 700 rupees, below 700 rupees it is available even today. After that, Persistent System, another company which has not done very well, in IT sector. But see, SLI Solution, friends, this is one company in IT sector which is a consulting company. It has got offices in US and Europe and India also. And believe me, for the last about 4 quarters, it is doing very well. I am trading into this stock very well, and I think in last 15 days I have made about, by doing swing trading, I have made about 300 points in SLI Solution. IIFL Wealth is again a broking company, fairly well it did, but generally the broking companies, they are slow movers, they are not dancing like Michael Jackson, they are slow movers, so you have to strictly go along with the moving averages. Quick Heal did very well on the low base last quarter. In Q1 the base was less. Quick Heal did very well, and no, Quick Heal did not do very well. Brokerages said it has done very well, but we really have to check with it. But I am dealing with it and dealing very successfully. It is available today for somewhere around 179 rupees. AU Small Bank we have already talked, and ITC. Now this is one stock, which was lying, almost like buried. It was lying about a year back for several years. It has all of a sudden become very vibrant, and believe me, the story here is that demergers. Things are doing very well when the new MD has come. Axis Bank as usual has performed very well. Bajaj brothers, that is Bajaj Finance and Finserv, both have done very well. Their results came out on 20th of October. And Anupam Rasayan also did very well, as I have mentioned here. Friends, most important here is that you must take note of all these things and check, that maybe on Q3, when July to September results will come, when October to December result will come, then what will happen is it will be, say, somewhere 3 months later, around 27th, the results are likely to come in the month of January. Nevertheless, let's go ahead and check Maruti. Actually, Maruti is in the top gear. I think of all the auto sector, Maruti has done superbly well, and it is trying to improve its market share. Tata Power, average. Himadri Chemicals, Sheshashahi Papers, they were average performers, or I will not say they were not the best of the best. I will say like that because they were better. IIB Industries did very well. TCS Express good, L&T good, Bajaj Finance we have already talked. 20th of October the results have come. They have done very well. Adani Ports did very well, though it is not catching up right now, but eventually it will catch up. And this Adani Wilmar also has done very well. Both the shares have done exceedingly well. You see, today there is no trade which is possible without Adani Group in your portfolio. Varun Beverages, superb results. So Adani Port has come here once. Adani Port has come once more here. Chola Mangalam Investments did very well. Andhra Paper, amongst all the paper industry, Sheshashahi and Andhra Paper, they did very well. And VVL gave a fantastic performance. JK Paper was average. Friends, I would like to tell you about one thing, that is Karnataka Bank. Karnataka Bank consistently for last 2-3 quarters is doing very well, and one must really trade into this. Swing trading I am talking of. Adani Enterprise, this is the fourth stock of Adani Group, fairly well and should be in the portfolio. And Amar Raja Battery is really power behind all two-wheelers, doing very well. And even I am also trading with this Amar Raja Battery. Siaram Silk Mills textile industry, it is available around 500, and by 530, 535 it goes off. So it is between a range of, this stock actually is going, and you should have to trade actually accordingly. Strictly with the moving averages you go, you will make money, but there is no chance of losing the money into this. Chola Mangalam Investment, see how superbly it did. And then is your GMM Fodler. Both these stocks did very well. See the number of plus. Here it is 6 like Maruti. So, this stock needs to be in your portfolio, though this is a high ticket stock. Then is your JK Lakshmi Cement and Bank of Baroda, State Bank of India. See, State Bank of India has started performing, for the last about 2 years very well. Though it is a slow mover, So you have to go strictly along with the moving averages. Titan has given reasonably good performance, and TVS Motors, I should say, it is the darling of the two-wheelers. Now it has expanded. It has just made about a couple of days back with Singapore, some company in Singapore also it has made a joint venture. So just keep a watch on it. Britannia is our old grand stocks, and doesn't move that fast according to me. City Union Bank is one stock, my friends, which I have noticed that the City Union Bank is giving very good performances. It is a low ticket size stock, and you can always trade with it. You will make a lot of money with this. Then you have PI Industries, as usual. The stocks is very good. Phoenix Meal is actually performing really well for a couple of quarters. They are risk-free stocks. PI Industry, TVS Motor, PI Industries, your Maruti, Bajaj Finserv, they are stocks which you don't have, there is no risk in the trading. So is the Phoenix Mills also. Followed by InfoEdge, although when the results came, I did not agree with the results. But since it was the view of the brokerages and also the view of CNBC, AWAAZ and BSINESS, purely on their view, I have kept it. Otherwise, I never subscribe to this kind of stocks. Then is BDL. BDL is actually Bharat Dynamics Limited. The government is putting a lot of power into this. So one really has to trade with it. And so, friends, also is your ABB, the engineering giant, little high ticket size, but they are risk-free stocks along with Apollo Tyres and Apollo Hospital. Apollo Hospital actually did very well, better than the tires. Fine. So, friends, this is actually, what I say is the basket of golden eggs. And if you trade with them, just make your own selection here, what you should do. And then you just dig out the golden eggs and trade with the swing trading up to the third quarter. We will again check in the third quarter, 4-5 stocks, 10 stocks will go, and 5-10 stocks will enter in. That time we will check actually what happens, because these stocks are the swing trading stocks for 2-3 months time, although some stocks are carrying on as long as more than 1 year. So, friends, thank you very much. Have a nice day. Buy stocks which are golden stocks. Have a lot of money being in the share market, and avoid risk. That is all I can say. So, namaskar and Jai Hind.